ladies, how are you? My name is Viviana. Thanks for watching this video. Today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to boost the traffic to your website. So let's start with content. I can see here at the top that you have the links to your social media accounts, you have the click to call button, you have the contact us form, description of the services, you have down here frequently asked questions. So in general terms, it is a well laid out website that makes it very easy to anyone to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, you have 534 words, and if I look at 2 of your competitors, this is the landing page for Surf Pro. They have 913 words, and Water Damage LLC, they have around 1267 words. And content is important because Google first wants to see that you are outranking or beating your competitors. So a good spot for you to start with would be around 1,500 to 2,000 words, so that Google can optimize you for that. And not only that, it's that you are able to push through more and more relevant content. Now, what I mean by that in terms of the relevant content is that I type in here water damage restoration Miami, which is considered a value intent keyword, or basically what people search for when they want to acquire one of your services. And the first section is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive, and also some people have the ability to turn them off in their browsers, so they just skip them altogether. The second section is the GMBs, or Google My Business Profile. This section is driving 40% of the traffic, and to rank at the top you need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory showing the name, the address, and the phone number, so that Google can verify you for those details. They need to match those in your Google Business Profile, and then Google will verify you and will rank you at the top. The third section is the Google Organic Search, and I wanted to show you, look, Surf Pro is ranking at the top for the DMV and for the organic search. So that means these guys, at least for water damage restoration, are getting most of the traffic. Now, to rank at the top of the organic search, you need first to be found for the right and the relevant content, and you also need backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now, I am looking at your website, so I can see that you have 1,970 backlinks in 192 referring domains. So that is 1,970 links in 192 external websites. If I look at your competitors or Surf Pro, the landing page for Miami is not showing me any data, but you can see that their powerful rating for backlinks is actually that this landing page is powered by their main domain site. So let's have a look at Water Damage Miami LLC, and if I look at them, Water Damage Miami, they have 3,510 backlinks in 428 referring domains. These guys are ranking on the second position. So a little bit of work to do in terms of backlink building, because you not only want to have more backlinks, but also want to have more powerful backlinks. So the ones that are sitting on relevant websites to your niche, so that Google can verify you for this and give you extra points and extra credits, because not all backlinks are created equal. It means that backlinks that are sitting in websites that are relevant to your service and to your niche, Google has algorithms to verify this and will give you extra points for this. Now, in terms of the organic keywords, you are being ranked. Well, this tool tells me that you are being ranked for 336 keywords. And in this view, I can see what these keywords are: the search volume and the position. So the search volume is the number of times this keyword was searched for in a month, and the position is the position that you are appearing in the Google search for that particular keyword. I filtered here by FL, Florida, Miami, and Fort Lauderdale, and I highlighted those keywords for which you are appearing in the top positions. Anything beyond the 10th position means that you are already on the second page of Google, and if that's the case, very few people are visiting your site. So you can see here that you are appearing. So for example, water damage restoration for Lauderdale has a search volume of 300 searches per month, and this tool is saying to me that you're in the 6th position, and because of that you're able to drive 19 visits to your website. Now, if I have a look at Search Pro, they are being ranked for 35 words. Again, I filtered by Florida, Miami for Lauderdale, and these ones are related to their brand, so I just skip them, but I selected those in here. They are ranking on the 1st and the 2nd position. 2nd position, water damage restoration Miami, 100 searches per month. They are 1st position. They say that they are able to drive 41 visits. Flood restoration Miami, no, water damage restoration Miami, the search volume is 300. They are in the 2nd position, so they are able to drive 40 visits. Water damage Miami, 250, 2nd position, 76 visits to their website. If I look at Water Damage Miami LLC, they're being ranked for 363 words. I highlighted these ones. You can see also that they are ranking on the top positions. And Water Damage Miami has a search volume of 250. Water Damage Restoration Miami 300. So the objective here is to identify what are those keywords that are attracting more search volume, so that you can sprinkle them on your website and first being ranked or found by Google for those terms. And also, if you build your backlink profile, then you will be able to rank at the top of the Google search. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to use it and implement it on your own. The only thing I'm asking in return is for your feedback. My contact details are at the bottom of this video. Feel free to reach out to me. Thanks, and have a nice week. Bye bye.